Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be reviewing and playing with some makeup that I received this week. So if you're interested in watching what I received this week, keep on watching. Alright, so the first item that I received this week is from Morphe, and Morphe gifted me this combo, which I think it's pretty cool and it's super cute, and I want to share with you guys, and I can't wait to like play with it. So they first sent me the All I Want 6 brush set. So it's a cute little bag with 6 brushes inside. I'll show you the brushes. So it came with these brushes. So 2 like fluffy crease brush, and then this one, a flat brush. I would use it for like underneath my eyes, an angled brush, and then these other 2 flat brushes, which is cute. I love that it comes in this little bag, and you could like store your brushes in here or cosmetics. So I think it's pretty cool. This one retails for $20, and you guys can get it at their website. So Morphe also sent me their 15T Artistry Morphe palette, and they also gifted me this one, and it's super cute. This one actually retails for $15. I'm sorry, $16, and you get this on their website. I'm actually looking at it right now. The cool thing about this is that I like that it's a 15 shade, and it's, you know, a compact size. It reminds me of the this one. What is this? This is the 35M. So it reminds me of the 35M in a smaller version. So let's see. So it reminds me of that one, like it's just a smaller version. So we're gonna be playing with this palette, and we're gonna be using the brushes that came in with the little back sets. And this is super cute. Like you do this for like a gift. I think it's super cute. So the other company that sent me something this week is from it's Undone, and I received their Curator Eye Palette in Soul, and this is from the company Undone, and they also gifted me this palette. And I'm like in love with these colors. If you can see, like they're all shimmer colors, and they're just really, really beautiful. I love that it's, you know, small enough that you can just throw in your bag. And another thing about them is that if you are like not happy, if you don't love it, it's free. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, I'm excited to try this one just because if there's shimmer shades, and I love shimmer, so I'm like super excited about this. And the next company that sent me a gift is Laura Mercier, and I received the Lip Duo in Rose, and this is so cute. I love that, you know, it's twistable, and the color is just like gorgeous. I'm like in love with this color. And then this lippy, super, super cute. I love these rose tone colors. They're one of my favorites, so I'm like super excited to play with this. And this one retails for, let's see, hold on, I'm like looking it up, guys. So this duo retails for $35, and it's like a perfect pair, so I really, really love. So we're gonna also be applying this one and just playing with this. I'm excited to try this lip duo. And for my fourth item and last item, I received mascara from Grande Cosmetics, and I like the packaging because it's gold. And it's supposed to be a lash boosting mascara, and it also came with an eyelash curler. And I have to say, I've already tried this mascara and like I'm in love with it. I've been using it every day, and I want to show you the before and after of this mascara. It really does do its job, what it's supposed to do. It gives you long lashes, and my lashes are like barely there, so you guys are going to be able to see the difference. So I'm excited to show you guys this mascara because I love it and it does the job. So let's jump into playing with these cosmetics, and yeah, let's see what we come up with. So I'm going to be grabbing Strike a Pose from the Morphe palette, and I'm going to use their little lovely brush that came in the bag. And I'm going to apply that on my crease. And I'm just going to do that like back and forth motion. Like that. And then I'm going to go in with the OTD color, and I'm taking that same brush and I'm going to apply it over the Strike a Pose, and I'm only going to go like halfway into my crease just to add a little bit of depth, like that. And I'm doing the same thing on the other eye. And the colors are actually blending nicely. Gotta fix this one over here. I feel like it's creasing from over here. Just a little bit. So I'm cleaning my brush and I'm taking that pigment out of there, and I'm going to just blend these colors so we don't have any like harsh lines. I do feel like there's a little bit of breakage in this color that I've applied over the Strike a Pose, but it's not like such a big deal. It's not that noticeable. I'm blending it out, so it's okay. So we'll see if it holds. All right, so that's okay. And I'm like in love with this color right here, and it's just super pretty. I'm also gonna swatch these for you guys, and I'm gonna put it up here so you guys can see how beautiful these colors are. But I'll show you. But I'll show you how this looks. I barely tapped it, and look how pretty this looks. It's super shimmery. So I'm going to be using this rosy color. And I'm taking a little bit on that brush, and I'm going to tap it. That's just so beautiful. I love it. And I also like that, you know, I can actually even use my fingers to apply this, and I'll show you guys that you don't have to have like brushes. Look at how beautiful. And I feel like it applies even better with, you know, your fingers than with a brush. If you could see the difference, like this just looks so much brighter, you know, more vibrant. You see the difference? Like this is like bam, and I just use my fingers. So I'm going to apply it on this one so we can have the same depth to it, the same color. So yeah, definitely it applies so much better just with your hands, with your fingers, and I feel that it's because, you know, you warm up the pigment, so that's awesome. All right, so I have a little bit of fallout here. From that, I'm just gonna use my brush and I'm gonna sweep that off. I'm taking one of the clean brushes from the Morphe brush set, and I'm just gonna go here on these edges and just buff that out because I feel like it looks too harsh, and I want to make sure that it's all blended. Okay, that looks good. I like. I'm going to use the angled brush, and I'm going to grab, do they not have black? Morphe doesn't have black on the 15T. All right, so they don't have black. I wanted to use black as an eyeliner. I can use, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. If I use a Sorry Not Sorry, let's see. Let's use the Sorry Not Sorry, and I'm just going to apply a little bit like on the lash line. All right, you can't see it. So I'm going to grab the M35, and I'm going to use the black one, the black color, just to add a little bit of more depth to the look, just because I feel like if I leave it alone, like it's just not gonna look that great. And I'm only gonna add a little bit on the outer corner, like that. All right, so my eyes are done. Super easy, right? So I wanted to show you the mascara. I'm gonna curl my lashes, and I like to curl them at the base and hold it, and then the center of the lash, and then towards the edges of the lash, towards the end. I did the same thing on the other side, and I feel like it gives you like a better curl. All right, so this is sort of the fun part. Like, I really love how this mascara gave me a boost. So I'm gonna apply mascara on this side, and then I'm gonna leave this like this bare so you guys can see the difference. Okay guys, so I hope you can see the difference. This is the eye with mascara, and this is without mascara. I can see a difference. All right, so now I'm gonna do the other eye. All right, there you have it for the mascara. I really do like this mascara. It makes a difference for my lashes. I've been wearing it like without, like, no makeup, just my lashes, curl them, and then I put this, and just my eyes just look so much like awake, and I love it. So yeah, I really like this mascara. So I'm not gonna do lashes just because I'm wearing this mascara. Now we're gonna do the lips. So I'm going to be lining the lips with the Laura Mercier, and this is in the color Fresh. Okay, I love this color and I love how it just glides on. Now I'm gonna do the color, the lip color, and this is in Coquette. Super cute. I feel like it's a little bit darker than this. So I'm just gonna apply this on the center of my eye, the center of my lips. I said the center of my eye because I was thinking, oh, it actually like matches with my eye color. It actually looks really good. Okay, I'm gonna do the whole thing. What is that? Alright, I'm like so in love with the color combinations. Honestly, like I wasn't even thinking about the color combo and actually came out really good. For the lips, they both glide on really nice. They're very moisturizing, and I actually would use these separately because I feel like the shades are they're a little bit different, and I think they look great separately, but I definitely love them. As far as the palettes and the eyeshadows, I do like the eyeshadows. Maybe for like another look I would like do a little bit more, but I mean this is super easy. You guys can do this at home. You know, I only use 3 colors, and yeah, super simple, and it looks good, right, put together. So yeah, overall, like I really like the mascara. I'm like really in love with it, and the lip colors. I actually wore this one before and I really love it. It stayed on the whole night, so I really like that. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I'm really happy with these products that I received this week. I'll have another review play makeup next week with more new products. And yeah, I didn't tell you guys the price for this one, huh? So I'll make sure to add it. So yeah, make sure to subscribe if you guys are not subscribed to my channel. Let me know if you guys liked these. Let me know if you guys liked this mini review and makeup playtime. And yeah, catch me on next time, guys. Bye.